Hello tiny tyros, welcome. Let's do activity using turmeric water as a natural indicator. Now let us take turmeric water, detergent and mix them both and see the color change. The turmeric water is changing into a reddish brown color. Did you observe? Yes. Because soap is basic in nature. Now let us prepare litmus paper using a beetroot juice. Take an A4 sheet and rub it with the beetroot juice and let it dry.
Litmus paper, lemon juice, acid, cooking soda.
Now let us use beetroot juice and lemon juice
soda.
and baking soda. Dip the litmus paper into the baking soda and observe the blue color. Now take the litmus paper and dip it in the lemon juice to observe the pink color. Now again I am repeating to observe the deep color change. The purple color changed into light violet. Did you observe? Then the violet color I dipped into a lemon juice, then it changed into a pink color. So now let us continue with the neutralization reaction. Now we understood that lemon juice is an acid and baking soda is a base. Now we are mixing them both and forming a neutralization reaction. In neutralization reactions, as we know, the byproducts are water and salt and some gases. So in this reaction, carbon dioxide is released. This carbon dioxide gas will inflate the balloon.
Nice! Please like and share, subscribe to
Tiny Tyros.